Hi there everybody, and welcome to this video data sheet for the IINS course. Now this course covers all the topics that are found on the 640-554 IINS exam that's offered separately by Pearson Vue. Now before attending this course, it's recommended that you have already completed the CCENT course or that you hold a CCT certification. You're going to need some basic computer literacy skills, be able to navigate Windows, and of course use the internet. Now this course is really best suited for a network administrator that has some security responsibilities. Now network engineers that are moving into a security focus would also benefit from this course, as well as network managers and system engineers. The modules that we cover in this course include one on common security threats. In this module you're going to describe the common security threats within Cisco networks. We'll talk about Cisco routers and how to implement security on those routers. We'll teach you how to secure the control, data, and management plane of a Cisco router, and we're also going to teach you about Cisco Security Manager. We'll talk about a transition from IPv4 to IPv6, and then we're going to move into AAA, which is Authentication, Authorization, and Accounting, and you'll learn how to do this on your Cisco routers using both TACACS Plus and Radius. Additionally, we're going to touch on iOS ACLs, and we're going to do this in more detail than you did in your first course or in the CCT certification. We're going to be able to describe the considerations when you build an ACL, and then we'll show you how to configure these ACLs to mitigate threats that are common to a network. Additionally, we're going to cover secure network management and reporting. And we're also going to talk about common Layer 2 attacks in this course, where you'll get to see what Layer 2 security looks like on a Cisco switch. We're going to look at VLAN security and trunk configurations, how to implement VLANs and trunking in a secure method. We're also going to talk about spanning tree and how to securely deploy that. We also have a module that covers Cisco firewall technologies. Now, in this module, we're going to talk about the operational strengths and weaknesses of different firewall technologies. We'll describe what a stateful firewall is so that you understand that, and also the use of NAT within our firewall technologies. And you're going to implement a zone-based policy firewall. You'll also learn how to implement an ASA in your network, as well as network address translation and port address translation in that module. We also cover Cisco IPS, so we'll talk about common intrusion prevention system deployments. We'll talk about IPS technology, and we'll configure the Cisco IOS IPS. We're going to move then on to VPN technology, where you'll see the different types of cryptography. The VPN technologies, you'll be able to see the building blocks of IPsec and implement an iOS IPsec site-to-site VPN with pre-shared keys. You'll also be able to verify that by the time you're done. And we are briefly going to touch on SSL VPNs as well, and using the Adaptive Security Device Manager. You know, I'm certain that you're going to enjoy this course and that you can really benefit from the certification that you'll receive when you pass the corresponding Pearson Vue exam. This is going to give you a solid network security foundation that you're going to need as you progress through the CCNP security and eventually into the CCIE security. Well, I hope to see you soon in a global config class, and thanks for watching this short video. Please feel free to reach out to us on Twitter, Facebook, and on our website for more information and scheduling options.